Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is RETECH generator. This generator I want to use it to power my water pump. So it's the generator I want to use to power my water project. So I'm just checking this generator out and see what it is like.
It has a very big, mighty capacitor. This is where you can hold it and start it manually. This is the battery for in case you want to start it using the key. Yes. You can as well see the voltage rating here. RPG11500E2. The maximum power is 11.5 kVA. Gasoline generator, heavy duty generator. The net weight is 991 kg. The rated output is 10.0 kVA. You can see the exhaust, you can see the carburetor, you can see as well see the plug, you can see where you can move it around. This is how to move it around. You can see it. Highly recommendable. You can power your house. You can power about 3 ACs. Pour water in the house. 1.5 horsepower to make water available in your building. It can be used for private use in the house or for commercial use in big offices. Thank you.